Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 3,82,000 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases as of yesterday was 34.87 lakhs. Yesterday, 13 patients died in a hospital in Tamil Nadu due to shortage of oxygen. Central government, state government and Indian industries are making all the efforts to increase the supply of oxygen all over India. Various countries in the world are also providing necessary help to India to increase the supply of oxygen. With the second wave of COVID 19 putting fresh stress on the Indian economy, the Reserve Bank of India on Wednesday announced a host of measures to boost fund flow to the healthcare sector and pump more liquidity in the system. This is apart from providing another window to individual borrowers and small units for loan restructuring. This will help all the Indians in under current COVID condition. Reserve Bank of India informed all banks not to freeze account of their account holder for non-updation of KYC norms, that is know your customer norms, till December 31, 2021. They will provide necessary help to all the bank account holder. Otherwise, they were facing lot of hardship once their account were frozen due to non-updation of KYC norms. Indian stock market reversed the trend yesterday and BSE Sensex closed 424 points above the previous day closing and closed at 48,678 points yesterday. Rupee declined slightly against dollar and closed at $1 equal to 73.91 rupees. Tata Steel, one of the leading steel manufacturers in India, announced good result and their consolidated net profit was 7,162 crore for the last quarter of 2021 against a loss of 1,615 crore during the last quarter of 2020. All steel units in India are now doing well in view of the increase in demand for the steel in India as well as in the world also. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.